Why does changing your life feel physically painful? You want to wake up early. You want to quit that bad habit. You know exactly what to do to become successful, yet you don't do it. It feels like an invisible force is pulling you back. Well, I have news for you. That force is real. And it's not because you are lazy or weak. It is because your brain is biologically wired to punish you for changing. Today, we are going to expose the neuroscience behind this resistance and use ancient Stoic wisdom to hack your biology. To understand why you are stuck, you have to look at evolution. Your brain's primary job is not to make you happy, rich, or successful. Its only job is to keep you alive. Deep inside your skull, there is an ancient alarm system called the amygdala. It loves homeostasis, which is a fancy word for keeping things exactly the same. To your primal brain, same equals safe. Change equals danger. When you try to start a new business or go to the gym, your amygdala screams unknown territory and floods your body with cortisol, the stress hormone. That anxiety you feel when you try to change, that is your brain trying to save you from a threat that doesn't exist. Think of your brain like a dense jungle. Your old habits are like wide paved highways. You have traveled them thousands of times, so they are easy and require zero energy. Creating a new habit is like hacking a new path through a thick forest with a machete. The first time is exhausting. The second time is hard. But if you keep walking that path, the grass dies down, the dirt packs hard, and eventually it becomes a new highway. This is called neuroplasticity. The problem is, most people quit while they are still holding the machete, thinking it will always be this hard. It won't. So, how do we override this biological programming? The Stoic philosopher Seneca said, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." You must stop waiting for the fear to go away. It never will. The only way to rewire the amygdala is through voluntary discomfort. Do small things that make you slightly uncomfortable every day. A cold shower, a 10-minute walk, silence. Your brain resists change because it loves safety, but growth never happens in the safety zone. You have to teach your brain that the unknown is not dangerous. Prove it by taking one small action today. If you want to master your mind and build an unbreakable character, hit that subscribe button. Let's walk this path together. Thanks for watching.